Understanding the phrase, play the body, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, play the body. It's a fascinating expression with unique usage and context, perfect for expanding your English vocabulary and comprehension. Play the body is an idiom that originates from sports, particularly ice hockey. In hockey, to play the body means to focus on the player rather than the puck. It's a strategy where a player uses their body to block or impede an opponent, ensuring they can't pursue the puck effectively. While its roots are in sports, play the body has transcended into everyday English. It means to confront a problem or challenge directly. When someone says they're playing the body, they're tackling an issue head-on, not avoiding it or being sidetracked by minor details. 1. In a debate. During the debate, he decided to play the body, directly addressing his opponent's points rather than speaking about general issues. 2. In problem solving. Our team played the body by focusing on the major flaw in the project, rather than getting lost in small, less significant problems. There are variations and similar phrases to play the body that carry a comparable meaning. Phrases like tackle the issue head-on or face the challenge directly mirror the essence of confronting challenges directly. Play the body is a dynamic phrase with its origins in sports, but its application in everyday English is widespread. Remember, it's all about facing challenges directly, without evasion. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.